Ningbo Very Kind Medical Device Company Limited is the fully capitalized subsidiary company of Ningbo David Medical. The mainly products are disposable intraluminal stapler, disposable anorectal stapler, disposable linear cutting stapler, disposable linear stapler, disposable endoscopic cutting stapler, disposable trocar, etc. Instruction for use of disposable anorectal stapler. It is intended for safely resection to the prolapse of rectal mucosa in the anal canal or hemorrhoid mucosa and restores the normal anatomic function of low rectum. Titanium alloy staple with high extension of strength. User-friendly designed twisting knob. Reliable firing safety. Display window reminds the perfect time to fire. Open the blister cover. Take the disposable anorectal stapler out of package. Turn the adjusting knob counterclockwise and remove the staple housing protector. Then twist the adjusting knob clockwise to check the smoothness of stapler. Turn the adjusting knob counterclockwise to open the stapler. Insert the stapler into the stranged purse, which is replaced by sponge here. Turn the adjusting knob clockwise, and the pointer in the display window moves to the green zone. Open the firing safety. Squeeze the firing handle quickly until a click sound is heard. Please do not release the handle immediately, but hold it 20 to 30 seconds. Close the firing safety. Turn the adjusting knob counterclockwise to remove the tissue from stapler. Then the procedure is finished. Check the stapled result. Turn the adjusting knob counterclockwise to open the stapler. Take the tissue, resect it out of the stapler, and check whether it's complete. The surgery is finished. Various accessories for multiple procedures such as PPH, TST, etc.